Top 5, CJ.
Swagged out.
2020, 5 months after ng pagpanaw ni Pop Smoke,
Christian Dior.
tila kinakailangan ng industriya ng bagong big boy sa drill scene. Kaya naman habang mainit pa ay isinalang kaagad ng Puerto Rican na si CJ ang kanyang sulat sa drill beat. However, kumbaga sa ulam, kulang ang rekados kung wala kang kasamang gangster. So nagbayad siya ng mga real life G para magmistulang background.
Whoop it. I'm outside of some movie.
And ang resulta, kaboom! Well, syempre catchy naman talaga yung kanta niya na Whoopty. Yun nga lang, ang word pala na iyon ay isang exclusive na batian na pwede lamang gamitin ng mga miyembro ng notorious gang na Bloodhound Brim, na according sa grupo ay hindi naman daw siya parte. Well, lusot na sana kaso kinapiright pa ni CJ yung salitang Whoopty bilang pagmamay-ari niya.
Pretty much Whoopty, like this worldwide now, you know, I got babies, you know, saying Whoopty, I got, you know, middle-aged people, you know, older people. Pretty much it's just like a roll call, you know, whenever I see my guys in the street, and you know, that's how we greet each other. It's like a New York when people say, you're...
At doon na nagsalita yung mga high-rank members ng gang.
Everybody tag that CJ nigga. We not beefing with each other, my nigga. But you know you did bad. You did bad, homeboy. You know what you did. You copyrighted Whoopty. How the you copyright Whoopty when you ain't never put on for this? You better uncopyright that Whoopty on gang, on my hat.
Pati na rin ang mismong founder na sila Brim.
He's not Whoopty. He don't know nothing about Whoopty. Living off a lot. Ain't no foundation there. For all my real glows, you know what it is, man. Whoopty. Y'all know what it is. Stand on that, man. That's our So don't let that little boy play with y'all, man.
At dahil sa takot, kinain niya na lang yung mga salita niya noon sa interview.
You stole the phrase whoopty from the Bloodhound Brim Bloods.
Whoopty was founded by my brother La Brim.
I never stole anything, you know? Just because I said the word in a song, or I made it a song, doesn't mean I took ownership of the word. I never said I owned the word. I never said I created the word. That's how we greet each other. It's like a New York when people say you're, you know, shout out to, you know, the person who did.
Dahilan upang mawasak ang kanyang street creds na nagresulta sa kanyang pagkalaos. Sa 4, Island Boys.
Cause I'm a island boy. I'm a just island boy.
Bukod sa parang posporo na buhok, sobrang yabang ng dalawang to, tipong kayang magmaoy sa loob ng gym kahit na patpatay lang yung katawan.
I'm not talking. I'm not talking. Why you I'm not talking. Why you
However, pag may camera lang pala yan at may kasamang bodyguard.
I was minding my own business, boy.
Dahil lang masipat ang isa sa kanila ng isang tunay na G, habang siya ay nag-iisa, ay biglang tumiklop ito na parabang bata na di makabasag, pinggan.
I be talking online. I really be doing that out here for real. Hey, you feel me? Look, I thought you was living some type of way in real life though. Ain't you really like that though? You say you gangster everywhere you go, right? No, but you say you was gangster though, right? Yeah, don't matter, bro. See, when you come over here, I got the drop on you anywhere. If I want to, I could have did it to you, bro. Real
I seen it with the gang slang. You ain't
Gang, there they got to use that word. I'm speechless. Two goofballs in the pool.
You know why I'm not speechless?
Why?
Because I'm an island.
Top 3, Tekashi 6ix9ine. Well, sino bang hindi magugulat sa isang Mexicanong may iba't ibang kulay ng buhok, di ba?
This is love!
Habang napapaligiran ng Blood Gang. At ang malupit dito ay meron pa siyang N-word pass. Pero may mas malala pa dyan, at yan ay nang asarin niya ang Chicago drill rapper na si FBG Duck at sinabing kaya niya mismo lumapag sa lugar nito na kilala bilang pugad ng samot-saring karahasan.
Yeah, I'm about to pull up the old block gangster. One time.
Hey, I swear to God. Hey, look, you funnier than I thought, bro.
I swear to God.
Hey, look.
At ang malupit doon, lumapag talaga siya sa naturang lugar na posturang naghahamon pa ng away at nag-aangas.
Old block right here. This what y'all wanted me in Chicago. Old block right here. I call this shit no block. It's 10 o'clock. What the f*** y'all niggas that? Niggas ain't outside. It's only 10 p.m. What the f*** y'all niggas
However, nang lumabas ang CCTV, nakita dito na alas 3 pala ng madaling araw pumunta si 6ix9ine. Malamang tulog na yung mga tao doon. At ang malala pa, 15 seconds lang siya nagmaoy doon, sabay sakay agad ng sasakyan. Well, ang good thing is, aminado naman siya dito.
You live like 30 seconds.
Nah, it was actually like 15.
Seconds?
I was gone. I'm like, yeah.
And the bad thing ay kinidnap lang naman siya ng mismong mga gang members sa music video niya noon at tinakawan pa ng mahigit 700k US dollars worth of cash at alahas. Pero bakit naman? Di ba kasapi naman siya dito? Well, ayon sa investigasyon, ang relasyon ni 6ix9ine sa naturang gang ay isa lamang pala ang business deal. So madaling salita, ginamit niya lang ang gang na iyon para sa aesthetics at magmukhang tigasin. At ang kapalit nito ay gagatasan siya o peperahan mismo ng grupo. And kung hindi siya sumunod sa usapan, ay napilitan silang kunin ito ng sapilitan.
The fact that you knew the exact mother who kidnapped you and robbed you, and you didn't go handle it, is the reason why I tell you, you're a civilian.
Top 2, Slim Jesus.
With savages, you a boy, you can't hang.
Katulad ni Tekashi 6ix9ine, ginamit niya rin ang gangsta image pang shock value na may lyrics pa na kaya niya daw pumaslang.
And if there's a witness, I'ma kill him too and I'ma beat the case.
Pero later on, umamin din naman siya na estratehiya niya lang daw yon bilang artist at hindi talaga involved sa anumang aktibidad.
Like how involved were you streetwise in terms of
streetwise? Like, I mean, I got homies that are in that. And I know people who are. I mean, I haven't I'm not out here catching bodies and obviously. Like, I'm smart.
Do you have a criminal record at all?
Nah, I'm straight.
So you've never been arrested?
Nah, I've never been arrested. I'm straight. I make music.
However, ang masama doon, hindi naman lahat ng gangsta ay napanood yung interview niya na yon. At dahil sumikat talaga yung kanta niya, kailangan niya tuloy pangatawanan yung imahe na sinabi niya sa kanta in real life na hindi niya pala kaya panindigan.
Tell the ass to the real. I'm the real G. Hey, tell the ass to the real G. Tell the ass to the real G. Tell him what the real G is.
Hey, you a
Top 1, Soulja Boy.
Soulja Boy, tell.
Well, nung umpisa, hindi naman talaga super gangsta ang atake ni Soulja. Pwede nga dati yung kanta niya sa bata eh. However, noong 2008, pinasok ng mga magnanakaw yung kanyang bahay. At noong 2017, ginamit niya ang krimen na ito bilang publicity stunt para umigay muli ang kanyang pangalan. And kung pakikinggan mo ang kwento niya sa interview na to, promise, daig niya pa si Tanggol sa pagiging action star.
Bam, I look through the door. I see like 3-4 running through the crib. All black, mask on, running through the crib. One nigga run to the front door. I hop out, I start. Bow, 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 bow. Ah!
Yun nga lang, imbis na sumikat, lalo siyang pinagtawanan at ginawang meme dahil lumalabas na ang original niyang statement noong 2008 ay tila nagtago lang pala siya sa isang sulok habang nakapikit. Pero hindi siya dito sumuko dahil sa harap ni Mayweather ay ikinuwento niya mismo kung paano daw siya lumaki sa hood noon at magpatumba pa ng mga gangster.
I've been game since I was 11 years old. I've been fighting my whole life. I've been knocking out since high school. You know what I'm saying? In front of the whole school. Bah! And unconscious face first on the ground, so this ain't nothing new to me. You see what I'm saying?
Pero syempre men, wala na naman siya lusot dito dahil nag-tweet kaagad si YG, isang legit gangsta rapper, at sinabing hindi siya Bloods from Compton. Pero sa sobrang pursigido ni Soulja, lumapag siya sa hood na yon at ito ang nangyari.
They say Soulja ain't from the hood. What's happening?
Bukod sa hindi ko alam kung nabalik pa yung cellphone niya sa kanya, naglabas din ng isang video ang member ng naturang grupo na nagsasabing kahit gaano pa siya kayaman ay hindi niya mabibili ang respeto ng mga tunay na gangsta sa lugar na iyon.
You can pay everybody from the hood and you can come see me, but I ain't gonna claim you. Blood, on power, blood. You ain't out here with us.
Ops, sandali lang. Nga pala, pwede kayong magpapromote ng kanta sa akin. If meron kayong original composed song, message nyo lang ang Facebook page ng Cyberflex at mapeflex na natin ang kanta mo sa halagang 200 pesos via GCash.